So I gave Boston just 12 hours to win me over and to see if this historic city can truly compete with today's top travel destinations. And the final result might surprise you. So first things first, you cannot start your day without a good breakfast and an amazing coffee in New England. And there's no better place than Tatte's Bakery. We'll go to the downtown first, as most of the places we're going to cover in this video are close by from here. Stepping into downtown feels like you've arrived in a city with a lot of history. A 1-hour sightseeing cruise runs for 30 to 40 bucks, while dinner cruises start from $90. These city cruises educate you about the history of Boston and how it was built over the years. It's a very interesting thing to do, so if you're a history buff. And if you rent a private boat, then the captain might just let you have the wheel for a while. Moving on, I found this really amazing and underrated picture-taking spot. It's a little risky, but in my opinion, it was 100% worth it. After walking on the other side of the bridge, near this restaurant Barking Crabs, this is one of the spots where you get an unobstructed view of the downtown skyline. Now enough of sightseeing. It's pizza time, and Frank Pepe is by far the best pizza place in New England in my opinion. You should definitely give yourself a go if you're a pizza lover, and you won't be disappointed. Now let's continue our journey. Walking a bit from the skyline view, you reach at Pier Park. It has transformed from an industrial parking lot into a stunning, award-winning 9-acre public green space. It also features beautiful landscape lawns, gardens, and a rotating display of contemporary public art installation. We'll now go to the other side of the bridge to the Harborwalk. It's a 47-mile-long public walkway, often referred to as Linear Park, that provides access to Boston's waterfront. It basically connects the edge of the piers, wharfs, beaches, and shorelines. A 2-minute walk from there, we arrive at the Boston Tea Party Museum. And if you don't know the story behind this, here's a small summary. So the Boston Tea Party Museum is a floating interactive museum where you can throw the replica tea chests into the water and relive the famous 1773 protest that sparked the American Revolution. South Station is Boston's main transit hub, seamlessly connecting Amtrak, commuter rails, bus, and the Red Line subway, making it the easiest starting point for any journey. Enough of urban jungle now, it's time for nature, and the best place to do that in downtown is Boston's Common. It is America's oldest public park, founded in 1634. This 50-acre green space in the heart of city serves as both history landmark and modern recreational hub, offering walking paths, a frog pond, and the starting point for the Freedom Trail. And honestly, I can easily see myself relaxing here if I wasn't here for just 12 hours. In Boston, a simple stroll is a walk through history. Take the old city hall. Its grand facade and bronze donkey statue mark the very spot where the Democratic Party was born. Post Office Square is a stunning award-winning garden hidden in the Boston's financial district. It was built on an underground parking garage, offering a beautiful and tranquil escape for workers and visitors, with its lush green lawn, fountain, and seasonal flower displays. The last stop in this video is the Harvard University, and honestly it's so famous that you could have seen it coming from miles away. But I'll try my best to give you a fact about this university that you might not know. So it is the oldest institution of higher education in United States. And the red brick in Harvard's yard are rumored to have been handmade in the 18th century. So I think Boston has met all the expectations for me to be one of the top travel destinations in the world. With that, thanks for watching and see you in the next video.